If you want to post videos on Instagram, you probably don't want to post a full-size video. It is rather better to post something properly sized. My name is Mudassir Hussain and welcome to my channel Living Image. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I publish weekly tutorials on DaVinci Resolve, photography, editing and tech. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a project for Instagram videos. Anyways, without further ado, let's get started. So first we are going to create a new project and I'm going to name it Insta. Right, so before importing the video, we are going to change the project setting. To do that, go to project settings and from master settings, here we are going to change the resolution. For Instagram square video, it is recommended to go with 1080 by 1080. So I'm going to change into 1080 by 1080 and make sure the square is selected. And then we are going to change the frame rate. For Instagram, it is recommended to go with 30. However, if you have a video with lower frame rate, that is absolutely fine, but anything above that, you might experience some sort of issues when you post the video. So for this video, I'm going to go with 30 since the video I'm going to edit that has been recorded with higher frame rate. So I can get it 30, no problem. For now, I'm going to save it and then I'm going to import the video I want to edit. So here I'm not changing yet because the video, it has been recorded with 60 frame rate, so I'm not going to change it. I'm going to go with the project setting and then now I'm dragging it into the timeline. Right, as you can see, so now it looks like the Instagram display, but still it is no, it is like landscape type video. So we are going to make it totally square. To do that, go back to project settings and from the image scaling, and then change. Now it is scale entire image to fit. Now change it. You can keep it like this, but if you want to crop it, like if you really want to make it square, then with the entire screen, then just select scale full frame with crop and then hit save. So now we have like totally square video. So when we are done with editing, we can simply export the project as we do other projects. We are done. Now let's check this is the edited video. I think it looks perfect, right? So friends, this is how you can set up the project for making Instagram video using DaVinci Resolve. I hope this tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.